Hey, I'm Danielle with WTI. This has got to be one of the cutest purses I've ever come across. Seriously, if you want something unique and adorable, then you have to check out this crossbody foam purse by Elecbae. I'm in love with this soft silicone material that this is made of. Not only does that make it durable, but it's also so easy to clean and maintain. I know we've all been there where we get a stain on our purse that refuses to come out. Yeah, I've been there too many times, but that is not the case with this purse. All I have to do is wipe it off and it's as good as new. Everything on this purse, from the little charms, the straps, the buckles, the zippers, is so well made and high quality. It's small, but don't be fooled by the size. I was able to fit quite a bit in there. The struggle is that sometimes you want something small, but then it's too small, so it doesn't hold enough. But if you get something bigger, then it defeats the purpose of a purse. I know I can't be the only one that struggles with this, but this foam purse was just right for my needs. And it didn't matter what outfit I was wearing, this purse matched every single one. I had so much fun switching up the charms and the straps depending on if I wanted something more dressy or something more casual. They also have other cute colors available, and I have to be honest, I am tempted to get every single one because this was such a great find. 10 out of 10 recommend. That's my point of view.